Hi everyone, I'm Katie from Colour and Play with Katie. Today I want to introduce to you how-to skills for kids. If you're a freelance publisher building your next educational book or printable bundle, this is the perfect solution. And if you're a teacher or parent, these printables are a great way to bring life skills, social emotional learning, and mindfulness into your classroom or home life. Inside, you'll find over 500 pages of beautifully designed content that helps young children learn essential life skills in a fun, engaging way. There are over 450 step-by-step how-to prompts covering important topics like hygiene, safety, emotions, school readiness, independence, and more. These resources are perfect for kids aged 3 to 6 and can be used as posters, printables, flashcards, or journal pages. You can sell these as printable posters on Etsy, publish them as journals or workbooks on KDP, use them in classrooms, homeschool or therapy sessions, bundle them with parenting or SEL content, resell them as your own PLR, or add them to your digital product membership. The cost of the How-To Skills for Kids PLR package is just an amazing $16.50. This price includes 500 plus pages of ready-to-sell kids' life skills content, full PLR license with unlimited commercial use, 50 editable, done-for-you posters. If you buy from my site, you will get these superb bonuses worth $197, including an easy-to-follow ebook called From Prompt to Product. This guide shows you how to create printable posters using ChatGPT, perfect for beginners who want to design quickly and confidently. Mid-journey prompts for creating matching kids' notebooks, Canva mock-ups, professional cell-ready layouts you can use to showcase your posters and printable products in your store or on social media, plus these other items. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope you can see the real value in this incredible kids' life skills package. This is more than just a product. It's a ready-to-sell, high-demand resource that can help you build or grow your digital product business quickly and with confidence. I'm Katie, and I will see you next time.